Alright, so last paper na i-review. Okay, so this is um answering the question of uh, can EVs, electric vehicles really help, okay, solve the climate crisis. So before we jump in right into this, bigyan ko lang kayong background no, kung bakit may ganitong klase ng tanong. Okay? So, it says that 30%, okay, of CO2 emissions came from transportation sector. Okay? 30% came from transportation sector alone. So this includes motorcycle, bus, trucks, whatever. Okay? So and how many trucks and how many vehicles do we have alone in the Philippines? Now, looking at into perspective, we have to ask LTO, no? LTO, pero tingin ko wala naman. Diretso sa Google na lang. Number of of cars, vehicles in the Philippines. Okay? Okay, registered lang to It's 4,711,103 as of 2019. Okay, 2020 na lang. 2020 data. 1.1 private cars. Sige. 1.1 million. Okay. So, so we have let's say 1.1 okay, cars. Ang picture ng car. Cars. Okay. Okay, 1,101 vehicles, no? And these are all this would be diesel, gasoline cars. Some are LPG cars. Okay? So 1.1 million. So imagine really and then hindi pa yan kasi this is only for 2020 data alone. So along the road at 2030, hindi lang yan 1.1 million. Okay? I don't know how much is the increase per year, no? But we can try to track it really. We can try to track this one. Number of cars or vehicles per year in the Philippines. Okay. 2020 data. Okay to. Let's use this data. Wait yun. Copy image. Ba't yun? Yep. Not. So, Philippine number of registered vehicles. So, ano ba to? Get this data na lang. Ano ba yan? Mahihirapan pa ako Kulang no, 2019. You mean 4.7 na? What? Private lang kasi kanina. Ito yung number of registered vehicles talaga. Ito yung number of registered vehicles. Okay. Pwede tayo mag-ano, no? Interpolate. Or predict na lang natin. Kuha tayo data. So, this is the year. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Kuha tayo 5 data. So, we choose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We choose this one. 3, 8, 3, 4, 5, 4, 2. We have 3, 9, 2, 1, 7, 9, 5. We have 4, 2, 3, 6, 4, 6, 9. We have 4, 4, 3, 3, 1, 8, 1. And 4, 7, 1, 1, 1, 0, 3. Okay. So, kunin natin ang regression line, ang formula. Okay. So, x values and y values. Okay. So, shucks. Ayan. X value, y value. Okay. And then, change type, layout, formula. Okay. Ito. Okay. So, papansin nyo, no? So, the amount of cars, the number of cars, registered cars increases by 226,000 each year. Okay? So, it means to say, by 2030, ilan na to? Ilan ang data? From 2016 tayo nag-start, no? 2016 plus, let's say, ilan ba? 2021 ngayon. So, 9 years. So, 2016 plus 9 years. 2025. Sabihin natin 2030 na lang. Minus 2016. So, 14 years. Tayo ng 14. 6, 2, tapos 14, blah, blah, blah na yan. 14. Okay? So, calculate na lang natin. Okay? So, in 14 years, ilan na yung cars natin using this formula? So, the formula is y is equivalent to 226,451 times x plus 4. Okay? So, our y natin is, ating x is 14. Diba? Tama? Okay? So, if you do the math, 6451 multiplied by 14 years plus 4 exponent of plus 0, 6. So, yeah, 6. So, we will have 3, 1, 7, 4, 4, 1, 0. Bakit yun? Limit. More formula na to. 4e. Okay, so the answer is 7170314. So this is 7 million. So 7,170,314 cars in 14 years, which is year 2030. Wow, dami. Okay, so ganyan karami yung cars na expected natin by year 2030. Alright, so going back. So magiging, mali nga ito eh. Hindi na yan. So, ilan yun? 7 million? 17 million by year 2030. And now, we are at tayo ngayon 2019 yan eh. Pwede yung calculate ngayon. Gamitin natin yung kanina. So, ilan to? 2016 ito eh. 2016. Okay, so 2016. So, okay, so 2021. So, ilan ang cars? So, ganun din ang formula. So, wait lang. 2021 minus 2016. So, we have 5. Okay. So, 226451 is 5. Times 5 plus 4. So, the answer is 2021 is 5132255. So, it's 5,132,255. That's the number of cars for 2021. Okay. All right. Now, so ilan 'yan? 5 5.13 5.13 M. Okay? Now, imagine nyo na lang guys, no? Kung yung 7.17 million na yan ay magiging electric vehicles yan. O let's say sabihin natin 50% yan. Kasi hindi naman kayang i-transition lahat, di ba? O let's say at 50%. No, 50% ng vehicles by 2020 by 2030 is 50% lang naka-electric na. Okay? Okay, so 17.17 divided by 2. So that leaves us with 3.585 million electric vehicles. Okay? Now, the idea is this. Since hindi na gumagamit ng gasolina yan at magcha-charge yan, saan yan magcha-charge? Sa puwet. Magcha-charge yan, syempre, sa saksakan. Now, the question is, saan galing ang kuryente? Diba? Alangan galing ang kuryente sa lupa. Diba? So, saan galing ang kuryente? Okay? Now, tingnan natin ang tingnan natin ang data ng NGCP. Luzon Grid. Okay. Luzon Grid status. Power situation pala. Power situation. Outlook. Ano ba to? 2021. Okay? So, imagine niyo the available generating capacity ng Luzon is 12,150 megawatts. At yung demand, ang demand ay 10,043 megawatts. So, ilan na lang ang natitira? No? So, 12,150 minus 10,43. So, ang naiiwan na lang is 2. Ito, operating margin, 2,107 megawatts na lang ang natitira. Okay? Tapos kapag, itong idea dyan 150 megawatts. Then, ang demand is 10,043 megawatts. Demand, when we say demand, yun ito yung kailangan na power. Okay? Yan yung load. Demand. Now, hindi yan fix sa 12,150 kasi may mga time na pwedeng bumaba yan. Bababa yan kasi may shutdown, maintenance ng power plant. Okay, minsan may bigla na lang nasisira na power plant, so nawawala. So, dyan pumapasok yung tinatawag na available or yung parang extra, no? 2,107 megawatts. Yung extra. Okay? So, pwedeng bumaba din yan. Depende yan dito sa supply. Ngayon, yung idea. If magta-transition tayo sa electric vehicles, no? So, okay, walang gasolina. Saan siya pupunta? Kakainin niya, yan. So, ano mangyayari ano magiging nangyayari sa extra? Siyempre, mawawala na yung extra na yan. Tapos, ang demand ng kuryente tataas pa. Bakit? Kasi, dadami ang population, okay? Dadami ang mall, dadami ang buildings, dadami ang negosyo, tapos dadagdag pati yung electric vehicles. So, ang mangyayari is kulang na, mamamatay na yung supply kasi kulang na. Tendency, kapag mababa supply, okay, tumataas ang demand, ang mangyayari ay brownout or blackout. So, so, ito. Kapag magkaroon tayong electric vehicles, saan nga kukunin yung energy? So, ibig sabihin, magpapatayo na naman ng magpapatayo ng maraming power plant. So, more power plant is needed. Okay? More power plant is needed to charge electric vehicles. Kasi, titan nyo 12,150, tapos ito yung demand, wala pang electric vehicle yan, paano pa nagkaroon electric vehicle? Di kawawa na to, ubus na yan. Laging may brownout. Ayaw mo naman laging may brownout, di ba? Okay, now, kailangan na power plant. Ang tanong, anong klaseng power plant? Ang madaling i-build, mura ang fuel. Okay? Tingnan natin. Ang unang tanong muna, madaling i-build. Power plant which is easiest to build. Oh. Fossil. Coal. Oh, 'di ba? Kita nyo, fossil, coal. Oh, 'di ba? Oh, anong sagot? Coal, fossil, fuel. Ano yung mura? Cheapest to build. Okay, onshore daw ang photovoltaic. Okay, guys. Nakikita nyo to, 'di ba? Di pwede 'yan. Hindi pa rin pwede 'yan. Alam nyo kung bakit hindi pa rin pwede ang wind saka solar? Kasi hindi naman hindi naman laging mahangin sa Pilipinas at hindi naman laging may araw. So hindi. Okay, natural gas. So not gas. Okay, so murang fuel. Power plant. Okay. Cheapest fuel for power plant. Ano ba yan? Solar ulit. Oh. Oil and coal. Gas. So, gas. Nuclear is cheaper. Okay, nuclear daw. Nuclear, pero bawal naman sa atin ang nuclear. So, wala yan. Ang sunod ay gas. So, not gas pa rin. 'Di ba? Pasok pa rin ang not gas. So, ibig sabihin, natural gas. Kaya nga uso ang malampaya eh. Kasi yun ang mura, mamurang fuel. Okay? So, alam niyo naman natin na natural gas ay fossil fuel pa din. So it will produce CO2. CO2 emissions pa din. So medyo tricky, 'di ba? Kasi okay, magta-transition tayo sa electric vehicle, pero magtatayo tayo ng maraming power plant, at yung power plant na yun, natural gas or coal-fired power plant, magpuproduce din ng maraming CO2. So, ano nangyari? So, is it really economical, or will it really solve climate change? So, ito yung ine-expect ko, no? Ine-expect ko na makikita dito sa paper nyo, na may papakita nyo na, okay, even though magpapatayo pa rin ng additional power plants, is ano pa rin, mas environmentally friendly pa rin siya kung compared kung lahat yan, kung lahat ng 17.17 million ay ano pa rin, ay gas card pa rin o gas. So okay lang kapag 50%, at least hindi siya ganun kalaki yung CO2 emissions. So yun yung point, yun yung goal, okay? So titingnan ko yung yung paper. Titingnan ko na. Okay, ganda ng front, no? Sana maganda din ng laman. Okay. 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 Haba lang. Maganda yun, no? Pagkakat ng paragraph. Very nice. So the question about EVs regarding climate change is an important one since vehicles are the main contributor. Not really main, no? But sabihin mo na highest contributor at 30%. Tapos i-cite nyo yung cite mo 30%. By answering this question, it will give us insights. Wow, insights and relevant things. Wow, insights and relevant things which I'm sure hindi nyo naman alam kung ano yun. That we can interpret in order to come with a conclusion. No? So the simplest answer for this one is why. Okay. Answering this question is important for us policymakers to consider, to think, or to think if electric vehicles transition to electric vehicles will really make sense, no, in a perspective, if EVs do make sense in our fight against climate change. Yun lang naman. Pero yeah, good thing na EVs themselves can solve climate crisis. Yeah, but yeah, they really can't. But the question is, can they help or will they worsen? Di ba? That's why it's critical to, tackling project. Oh, okay, so what about, ano ba yan? Diyos mio. First step is to identify the total CO2 emissions of the Philippines each year for 40 consecutive years. Wow! Okay. Sige. Dissected the percentage of CO2 emission transport. Okay. Next is to identify the average CO2 emissions in diesel car. Okay, very good. Using the same platform, we managed to identify CO2 emissions from electric vehicles. Let me compare. Okay. Total number of registered vehicles came up with a result. Parang di yata nasunod yung instruction, no? Wait lang. Ano ba instruction? May instruction ako dun eh. Bakit 1% lang? Sabi ko sa instruction, oh, if we replace our vehicles 100%, if with 100%, okay, vehicles will reduce CO2 emissions in 10, 15, 20 years from now. So, if we, because if we replace vehicles, so estimate how much, oh? 100%, hindi yung 1%. Bakit? Bakit? 1%? Each year? Okay, so magiging 40. Bakit 40% lang? 1% each year? Ay, never mind. Okay. Okay, second estimate is that. Medyo tricky, no? Okay. May efficiency kasi 85%. Ang taas, ah. Allowing for the okay, so emissions of the okay. Electricity sources and emissions. When although electric vehicles and plug-in have zero emissions when it comes to retail, its total emissions cannot be concluded and far more complicated other aspect. This other aspect includes charge of battery or power plants where EV came from. Yeah, tama. Total number of registered vehicles as of 2019. So, we have gasoline, hybrid, pure. Talaga? Philippines to? Mm-hmm. Following year. So far, we can see the data is all-time high. Okay, Philippines. Oh, wala kayong projection, no? Kung kailan, kung ilan ang year 2040. Ilan ang cars by 2040? Data from, show the already kasama there's constant increase. Yeah, totoo naman kasi pataas ng pataas. Obvious naman kasi pataas ng pataas ang number of cars. Wow, British tons. Mhm. Pakilagay ng ano no, source ng data. Pero pwede naman. Oh, kayo palang gumawa. Okay, very good. Kayo ang gumawa ng table. Very good. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Mhm. Okay, total. 200 kilograms of tons. Okay. 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 Solely based on the type of solution does does not emit CO2. Oh, wait lang. Okay, tailpipe. Mm-hmm. Assuming that 1% of the was mm-hmm. Okay, so CO2 emissions lang yan ha. 1%. Okay, now, sinabi nyo, magre-reduce tayo ng 1%, no? Ng 407, okay. So, let's say, 4,711,103 times 0.01. Okay, so this is equivalent to 47. Tama? So, 1% is this is 40. This is 47,101 cars. Okay. Now, 447,111 cars. So, kung i-charge mo yan, ilan yung electricity, no? Okay, drop. Okay, drop yan. Per liter, paabe. Litre, paabe. Bakit litre? American po tayo ha, sa Pilipinas. American English. Okay. American English po tayo sa Pinas. Except lang doon sa mga ano no, sa mga pint, mga ounce. Okay. Okay. Have positive impact. Mhm. Mm. Mhm. Okay, 'yun. Minawawala. Minawawala. Minawawala tayo ditong analysis. Kasi napaka one-sided lang ng analysis na ito. Alam nyo kung bakit? Kasi nga, sinasabi nyo lang na ilan yung marireduce na CO2 kapag na-transition kayo sa EV. Pero, imagine niyo saan magcha-charge ang EV? 'Di ba? Saan magcha-charge yan? Kaya na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, meron lang tayong available supply. Yan lang. So, ibig sabihin, kapag nagdagdag ka ng electric vehicle dyan, eh, magkaka-brun out na sa Luzon. So, kulang na. Kulang na yung supply ng kuryente. Ngayon, nakasave ka nga ng CO2 emission. So, saan mo i-charge yung ano mo? Saan i-charge yung electric vehicle mo? Saan ka kukuha ng kuryente para sa bahay mo? 'Di ba? Mangyayari diyan, tataas ang presyo ng kuryente kasi mataas na ang demand kaysa sa supply. So, hindi na maganda yun. So, economically speaking, mukhang disaster yata yung electric vehicles kung titingnan mo. Magiging disaster siya hanggat wala tayong napapagawang mas maraming power plant para i-charge ang electric vehicle. Now, again, babalik tayo sa question na tatlo. In 2030, okay, sa loob ng 2030, makakapagpagawa ba tayo nuclear power plant? The answer is no, because mahirap, matagal gawin ng nuclear power plant. Okay? Ang pinakamabilis talaga ay natural gas. Yun lang. Natural gas, kung gusto mong solar, okay lang, kaso lang, titingnan mo, 'di ba, yung supply, 'di ba? Tingnan nyo, solar, 2.27% lang. Emissions pala. O supply, 'di ba? O electricity sources ay only, 'di ba? Pag tingnan mo, energy mix in the Philippines. Coal is 47%, natural gas is 22%, renewable combined 24%, 'di ba? Parang wah. See? May 2040 outlook, o tingnan nyo. Ba? Kung saan na yung map, yung graph? Nawawala yung graph. Oh, see? Saan ang solar? Solar is there, ito parang light, no? Coal, biomass, hydropower, solar. Aba, energy mix up to 2030 with coal moratorium and renewable energy. Oh. Hindi, wag yan. Ito kasi ay ano lang yan, ng plano lang yan, plano. Ang plano nila gawing 35.4% ang solar. Wow, what? I-phase out pa yung coal-fired power plants. Okay. Medyo complicated talaga ito kasi natin. Dito lang talaga solar eh. Tignan nyo. Diba? Solar. Diba parang okay, kung magso-solar, sige. Pero kapag ito pa rin kasi, for example, ito ilan ba ang consumption ng ilang electric vehicle? Okay. Okay, after tayong picture. Electric vehicle. Okay? So since hindi na siya gasolina, no, ang consumption niya ay power. Okay? Energy consumption of electric vehicles. Okay, 30 kilowatt hours to travel 100 miles. So, ilan ba yan? 100 miles divided by 2, 1.7. So, that is 58.8 kilometers, no? So, if you are traveling 58.82 kilometers per day, no? So, you are using 30 kilowatt hours, ba? So, sabihin natin per day na lang 30 kilowatt hours. Now again, based sa computation sa unang topic, no, energy kilowatt hour CO2 equivalent. Okay? Okay, 2.33 0.233 kilogram. Sige, gas na lang. May average na lang natin kasi gas, no? So, electricity pala, ito. 0.233. 0.233 kilogram of CO2 per kilowatt hour. So, isang car lang yan, ha? So, ilan yan? 30 times 0.233. So, per day, no? Per day. In a day. So, this is 7 kilogram of CO2. CO2 per day. Per day. Yung isang car. Okay? So, tapos kanina, ang na-reduce, 'di ba? Ang 1%, na 'yun? Ang 1%. Kaya ito na lang ha, 1%. Tingnan natin ha. Save natin 'yan. So, sabi nyo, ang na-reduce kapag 1% ng car ay 47,000. 47,111 multiplied by ilan yung kilograms? 7. So, ibig sabihin, per day daily CO2 emission of 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 47,411 cars, no? Okay? So, ilan yan? So, that is equivalent to 329,777. So, that is 329.777 kilograms of CO2 per day. Wow! Okay? Okay. Tingnan natin ito. Yung ginawa nyo. Year ba ito? Yearly? Yearly. Okay. 1 year. So, multiply natin to ng 12 months. So, copy natin. That is 329,777 multiplied by 12 months. Day pala ito. Ito pala ay kilogram of CO2 per day. So, 1 year, di ba? Times 365 days per year. So, ilan ang per year natin? So, answer times 365. So, this is 1, 2, 0, 3, 6, 8, 6, 0, 5 kilograms of CO2 per year. Okay, so sa analysis nyo Okay, liters. Okay. Liters pala ito. Ang liters? Bakit pala per liters? Liters na consumption ng car. Hindi pala pwede ito compare kasi liters ng car. Saan nakuha? 22.4. So, 22.4 kilograms per liters. Okay. Emission ito. Emission. Tama. Pwede compare. So, this is kilograms CO2 per liter. Okay. Pwede natin convert. Yung ito yung matatanggal, 'di ba? Okay, ito yung matatanggal, tama. Tons per liters. Tons per liters. Okay. Tons. Okay, so sabi nyo ay 11,193 tons per liters per year. So ito per, okay, tons per liters. Okay, convert na lang natin. How many kilogram of CO2 per tons? Okay, per gallon, liters. Okay, how many kilograms of CO2 does a 1 liter of gas produce? So 2.3 kilograms per liter. Convert natin yung kanina binigay nyo. So multiplied 2.3 kilogram per, wait lang. So in 1 liter we have 2.3 kilogram. So cancel. So kilogram, ton. Okay, so we have 11193 divided by 2.3. So we have 486 tons per kilogram. Okay, tapos convert natin yan. How many kilograms per 1 ton? Magiging kilogram squared pala ito. Okay. Weird naman yung unit nyo. Tons per liter. Every liter. Okay. Gets ko na. Okay na. May mali ako. May mali ako. Kasi ito pala 30 kilowatt hour per 100 miles. So convert muna natin 'yan. So this is 58 wait lang. Ulitin natin. Okay. So 100 miles convert natin. 100 miles to kilometers. So this is 160. Laki pala. Okay. So 160. Uh, 160 km. Okay. So multiply by this one. So we have 30 over 160 times 0.233. So we have 0.04368 kilograms of CO2 per kilometer. Okay? Per kilometer. Okay, now, per liter yung kanina. Hanapin natin yung how many mileage, yung tinatawag na mileage of an average car. Hindi pala mileage, kilo, km per liter. Yan, average car. Okay. So 9.3 per 100 kilometers. Okay. So convert natin. Times. So 100 km 9.3 liters. Okay, so cancel. No, so magiging 0.043 times 100 divided by 9.3. So per day of a car, one car emits 0.46236, okay, kilogram CO2 per liter. Okay? So, kinonvert na natin siya in terms of how, so parang kinonvert na natin siya para i-compare sa gasoline. Kasi yung kanina kasi is per liter yun eh. Mapansin nyo. Okay? So, gawa tayo ng bagong analysis. So, kanina is we want to convert this 47,144 to electric vehicle. So, per day, no? Per day. So, this will be 0.46236 kilograms of CO2 per liter per day. Okay? So, multiply natin. So, per day, ang 47,000 cars na yan, that will emit 921.21 kilograms of CO2 per liter per day. Okay? Now, convert natin yan sa 1 year. So, technically, okay? So, convert natin to per year. So, we have 365 days. In 1 year. So, cancel. Okay? So, may iwan sa atin is 21, wait lang. So, 21,921.21 times 365. So, this will be 800,1241.65 kilograms of CO2 per liter per year. Convert pa natin yan kasi kilograms yan ng CO2 eh. Convert natin yan sa dito sa ano, 'di ba? Sa ano 'yun? Tons. Ba binigay nyo? Ano yung binigay nyo? Tons per liters, no? So, tons per liters. So, convert natin yan. So, how many kilograms in 1 tons? So, 1,000 kilogram? So, 1,000 kilogram in 1. Wait lang, ibang tons yan eh. Kilogram in tons. Okay. So, 1,000. Okay, tama. So, 1,000 tons. 1 tons equals 1,000 kilograms. So, cancel. So, ito na matitira, no? So, answer divided by 1,000. So, ang sagot ay, okay, next slide natin. So, it means to say, if you are going to convert 47,411 cars to EV. Okay? Kasi ito yung 1%, di ba? Okay? So, this will increase. This will require okay. Kapag ginawa nating EV ito, okay? Pag ginawa nating EV yung 47,411, okay? So, ang power plant, okay, ay magpo-produce ng 8,001.24 tons of CO2 per year. Okay, ito. So, now, based sa calculation nyo dito, 11,193.58. Okay? 11,193.58. Okay. So sabi nyo, kapag tinanggal natin yung 47,411 na yan, okay, mababawasan tayo ng 11,193.58 tons of CO2 per year. Diba? Pag nawala, yun ng car, eh, i-convert mo sila sa EV, eh, kapag kinonvert mo sa EV yan, madadagdagan ka ng 8,001.24. So, magma-minus ka. So, ilan? No? So, kapag ginawa mo to, pag transition ka, ang magiging emissions mo na lang ay, wait lang, ang na-reduce, no, reduced CO2 ay 3192.34. Yan ang marireduce mo. Kapag kinonvert mo yung cars, yung 1% ng car into electric vehicle, ito lang ang marireduce mo. Yeah, hindi ganun kalaki kung hindi mo naman kasi pwedeng stop talaga itong 47,144 eh. Hindi naman pwedeng mawala. Yan na lang, hindi sila under, di-display mo lang. Hindi pwede yun. So since para makatulong ka, sabihin mo, makatulong para sa economy, sige convert natin siya. Convert natin siya sa electric vehicle. So, kapag kinonvert natin sa electric vehicle yan, imbes na 11,193.58 tons of CO2 per year ang mapoproduce mo, magiging 3,192.34 na lang. So, hindi na masama, pero, syempre, mas maganda kapag ginawa mo ng 50% or 100% yan. So, it means to say, ito na lang, so, ang conclusion dyan, ganito guys, kapag ginawa natin 100% yan, diba? Pag kinonvert natin 100% yan, it doesn't really mean na magiging zero na ang ating emission. That's impossible. Hindi magiging zero. Bakit? Kasi kahit 1% lang yan, kaya pa rin niyang mag-produce nakakapag-produce pa rin siya ng CO2. Yun nga lang, hindi kasing laki kapag nag-gasoline or diesel car ka. Pero ulitin ko lang, ibig sabihin guys, kapag nag 100% EV ka, it doesn't really mean na magiging zero ang carbon emission mo. Magiging mas mababa lang talaga. Okay? So kung gagawin mo kung ito pa lang yung magiging conclusion mo, the answer is yes. Okay? It does make sense. Kasi na-compute na natin, di ba? Na based sa computation natin, di ba? Meron siyang nagagamit na CO2. Meron siyang na-produce na CO2 kasi kailangan siya i-charge sa power plant. But still, nakakatulong pa rin siya kasi imbis na 11,000 3,000 na lang ang mapoproduce na CO2 per year. So imagine niyo lang kapag 100% na 'yan. So hindi na malaki 'yan. So meron pero hindi ganoon kalaki. So it does make sense if you're going to ask me. Sa perspective lang ng electric vehicles. So I think that's the answer, no, to the question. However, syempre sa analysis nyo ay kulang pa nga 'to kung tutuusin eh. Kasi ina-expect ko na meron pa kayong computation for 40, 50 years. Diba? Pero wala kayong ginawa eh. May hanapin natin yung conclusions nyo. Yes, basing on hindi ko to tatanggapin kasi napaka one-sided niyan. You only considered how much CO2 will be reduced. Again, hindi naman ibig sabihin na yung 1% na yan ay mawawala na permanente yan, hindi na under yan. I-convert mo lang yan. So, ibig sabihin, gagamitin pa rin sila. It's just, kung magiging EV, saan mo sila i-charge, di ba? So, sa power plants din. So, yung power plants na yun, nagpo-produce din ng CO2 yun. Pero, yun pala, based sa computation, is nagpo-produce pero mababa lang. Okay? So, beneficial pa rin siya sa environment. Makakatulong pa rin. So, this is one way of sustainable development, really. So, in short, this is a very good approach in sustainable development, wherein nagiging continuous pa rin ang ating development, we can still use cars, okay, without compromising our future, without generating huge amounts of CO2 emissions in the atmosphere. So that is the simplest and the most accurate explanation, and the most direct, if you ask me. Okay? So kung i-judge ko tong paper, it really lacks the expected. Okay? Kasi you simply did this. Come on. You also said yes. It's one-sided. One-sided conclusion. Okay? Mm. Hindi nyo nga pinakita ko sa'yo nakuha yan eh. Medyo masakit sa mata yung mga ganitong data. Mas maganda siguro kung ginawa nyo graph. Gumamit kayo ng graph, huwag naman ganito. Sakit basahin, sakit sa mata. Okay. Okay lang naman. Seems okay. But I hope, no? I hope na pinakinggan nyo itong lecture kasi dami nyo talaga matututunan, promise. So dito nyo magagamit yung technique sa mga conversion. Kaya napaka-importante ng conversion sa engineering. Kasi dapat nahahasa kayo sa conversions, understanding concepts, and such. Kasi yun lang naman na paraan eh. Pero I hope naintindihan nyo, no? So, I hope na-gets nyo kung paano i-dissect, kung paano i-understand yung isang problem, paano siya i-solve in terms of, how do you perceive it. So, wag kayong ma-down kung hindi nyo nagawa ng tama. I mean, hindi nyo siya nagawa nyo siya ng tama, pero nagawa nyo siya ng bitin lang na kulang. Okay, kulang. So parang parang hindi pa rin nasagot thoroughly yung tanong in a way na hindi mo nakita kung ilan ba talaga ang na-save. Unlike dito, kapag kinumpute mo ng ganito, pinakita mo na, nakaka-save ka. Yung ganun. So it's very clear, it's a very good approach if you ask me. Now, I think I have to end this video. Masyado mahaba na. So, pakinggan nyo sana tong video.